In a major strategic pivot, Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdoğan has unveiled plans to escalate defense spending to 5% of the nation's GDP by 2035, more than double the current figure. Speaking at the NATO Leaders Summit held in The Hague, Erdoğan stressed that this increase will be financed solely through domestic resources. The move reflects Ankara's clear intention to amplify its military independence and broaden its geopolitical influence within the NATO alliance. This bold commitment marks a turning point in Turkey's defense doctrine. Far from being a simple budget increase, it is a calculated effort to overhaul the nation's military footprint and its role in global security dynamics. Turkey currently allocates about 2.09% of GDP to defense, according to NATO estimates, roughly $19.4 billion in 2024. SIPRI data places it slightly lower at 1.9%. Reaching the 5% target would more than double these amounts, potentially pushing the annual defense budget beyond $45 billion, assuming economic conditions remain steady. This plan builds on a decade-long trend, during which Turkish defense spending has more than doubled in real terms. Ankara's defense sector has already demonstrated remarkable efficiency in bringing advanced platforms from concept to deployment. The successful development of systems such as the Bayraktar TB2 and Akinci drones, the Altay main battle tank, and the Milgem-class warships showcase the capabilities of homegrown defense giants like Baykar, Roketsan, Aselsan, and Havelsan. With increased funding, these firms are expected to take on more ambitious projects, ranging from next-generation fighter jets and missile systems to space-based military technologies. Strategically, this budget expansion is poised to elevate Turkey into the upper echelon of NATO defense contributors. It will significantly reduce dependence on foreign suppliers while enabling across-the-board modernization of its armed forces. On a geopolitical level, it enhances Turkey's leverage in critical hotspots such as the Black Sea, the South Caucasus, the Red Sea, and the Eastern Mediterranean. It also sends a message to European NATO members who still fall short of the alliance's 2% GDP guideline. Turkey's approach is less about numerical strength and more about a long-term strategic transformation. The intent is clear: Ankara is positioning itself not merely as a regional power but as a cornerstone of NATO's future military posture. The shift will have ripple effects, impacting alliances, defense procurement networks, and strategic planning well into the next decade.